The product that redefined product design just got better. Simulation specifically built to be leveraged earlier in the development process to drive productivity, spur innovation, and increase product quality. Test multiple design ideas quickly using real-time simulation, making changes and instantly seeing results. Or refine the most promising ones using high-fidelity simulation for increased confidence and product insight. The first design tool that makes simulation easy enough, fast enough, and flexible enough to be used while you design when critical decisions are being made. Perhaps best of all, Ansys Discovery is one experience, one environment, providing seamless access to the best of what Ansys has to offer. Ansys Discovery predicts the thermal behavior of devices involving fluid convection coupled with solid conduction for the design and evaluation of electronics, cooling, and heat management devices. Especially notable is the automation and intelligence that makes setting up this type of scenario faster, more intuitive, and easier than ever before. The opportunity to leverage real-time simulation introduces an interactive experience through exploring multiple designs with a quick setup. For example, what if you want to know the pressure drop as you vary the angle of a ball valve? Setting up a quick parameter study allows a user to explore multiple outlet conditions as you adjust the lever of the valve. New performance and workflow improvements enhance productivity when working with Ansys Discovery. A new quick scoping tool quickly selects parts or assemblies to include or exclude in simulation and offers multiple ways to visualize target bodies. Additional interactive tutorials, improved unit controls, save results settings, and other workflow updates make it possible to set up and run a simulation faster and easier than ever before in Discovery. When you need to summarize or record simulation results in setup, Discovery's new report generator captures all model inputs, materials, and results and exports them to a PDF or HTML document so colleagues or customers can review the details of an analysis. Lastly, pick up right where you left off in Discovery and simulate more complex physical behaviors with direct transfer to Ansys mechanical and fluent applications, as well as access Discovery on the cloud through your browser if you don't have access to high-performance hardware. There's much more to Ansys Discovery than just what you saw. Integrated geometry, rapid multiphysics simulation, industry-leading accuracy, and an easy-to-use user experience sets Discovery apart from any other design tool. This is the promise of design exploration made simple because every engineer deserves the power of discovery.